Hey, it's David Bradley here, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I've got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Here we go. Today's tip is literally how to 10x your sales job. So if you have a job in sales, I'm going to give you 3 things you can do right now to 10x that. And the last 2 came from the president of Cardone Enterprises at 10X GrowthCon this weekend, Mr. Jared Glant. Okay, so here's the first one. Switch from having a job. Stop thinking about having a job and start thinking with how to have a career and build a life. So the first thing to 10x your sales job is to stop thinking about it like a job. Job is something you punch in and you punch out for. You need to be all in all the time. Okay, so switch from having a job, start thinking about a career. 2, start thinking 10x bigger. So that's what I'm saying. When you switch from having a job to a career, maybe from a career to a life, you're creating a life here. Okay. Third thing, start thinking 10x bigger. That was number 2. Third thing, master the skills and tactics required to create that 10x thing. So if you're going to start thinking bigger, you're going to have to start acting bigger. So what were they again? 1, switch from having a job, start having a career, start thinking 10x bigger, and then master the skills and tactics required to operate at that 10x thing. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, head on over to cardonesolutions.com/coaching, cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching. Or, hey, just give me a buzz, 310-777-0352. And be great, because nothing else pays. Talk to you soon.